everybody doing? I'm going to make, because I've been really craving a trifle. If you don't know what that is, it's a layering of pudding, any type of pound cake or angel food cake mixed with berries. You stack it up, pretty easy. Also, don't judge my NSYNC shirt. I'm still waiting for a reunion one day. So I'm gonna go over how to do that. I'm gonna prep everything in just a moment, but basically what I have here, you're gonna need vanilla pudding. Might try it out with chocolate one time, but this was pretty good. I just bought some lazy lemon cream. Usually people do like plain angel food cake or pound cake. I thought lemon might be kind of fun to try with the other berries. We'll see how it goes. It's gonna get ripped up anyway. And then I bought strawberries. Of course, you can really substitute this with anything. I'm curious to see how it maybe be with other fruit. I don't know if it'll hold up, but I also have blackberries and raspberries. I like all the berries. And blueberries. So basically, that'll be for the trifle itself. Also, you will need some heavy whipping cream and some sugar. That's going to be for the cream. You could probably use Cool Whip too. I probably should have done that, but let's be fancy. Glass bowl. I don't have a trifle bowl handy, so I'm just going to use this glass bowl so you can still see the results. Regular bowl. I'm going to put the whipping cream in here and stir that. I also have handy my, it's probably from like 1995, hand mixer. So I got these little things, they'll go in here. Ta-da. I don't feel like using my KitchenAid, I'm lazy. So I'm going to start by washing all the fruit, getting the pudding ready, and then we'll go over the whipping cream. Haven't done that in a while, so this might be kind of a hot mess. We'll give it a shot. And so I'm gonna prep that and we'll get this going. Hey, all right. So first thing we're gonna do is get the pudding going. Basically follow the instructions on the box, super easy. So I have in this bowl, and I'll tilt the camera down so you can see it, 3 cups of cold milk. All right, if you can't do this, I don't know what to tell you. All right, so we're gonna open this and add and whisk. Okay, it's probably take a couple minutes, and my whisk is on the other side of the kitchen. Next, for the whipping cream, we're going to take, I forget what the portions are, hold on. Alright, for the whipping cream, we're going to take, see if I can get maybe 2 cups out of this. Let's see what I can get. Usually it's 1 or 2 cups and then 2 or 4 tablespoons of sugar. Where did I just put that? No, here it is. My husband says I can cook, but I make a complete mess when I do so. So this might seem like a little bit of a tornado. Let's see if I can get 2 cups out of here. I'm not good with numbers, so whatever. Yeah, okay. Give me 2 cups. Heavy whipping cream. Pour that in. So since it gave me that, I can do 4 tablespoons of sugar. I feel like I have junk drawers all over my kitchen. Anybody else have that problem, or is it just me? All right, so let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and also these canisters are great. Got them from Walmart. In Florida, I feel like ants attack everything in your pantry that's not locked down, that's made of sugar. As you can see, no ants in here. These are Better Homes and Gardens brand. I have them for my cereal too. They have the taller ones. Really good if you ever need some canisters. Next we are, let me put this over here. Let's make it ugly, and whoopie-doo. The next step I started real quick is we're going to make the whipped cream for the trifle. I just got one of these little canisters, makes 2 cups. I don't know if you can see it here, sorry for the camera for the time being. I did 2 cups of the heavy whipping cream with 4 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to go ahead and mix this. Ideally, based on what I've read, you want it to basically thicken until soft peaks form, whatever that is. So we're going to try this. Hopefully this does not explode in my face. I'm definitely not doing that. So I use my 1900s hand mixer here. And let's see if this works. I had to switch to my phone because my stupid camera ran out of room. Thank God I'm getting that new one. I rushed that memory card on Amazon real quick. All right, so ended with the strawberries, and then last I'm gonna just throw the rest of this whipped cream on here. And actually we use the whole bowl. I'm just gonna spread this, and then I'm gonna top a few. Ran out of this too. Problems. I'm going to add some little bit more berries to the top. I wish this made more. Okay. Well, now we know for next time. So normally you would want to cover. I feel like I've got a pretty good covering. Could be a little better, but you know, whatever. Oops. Okay. That's as good as it's gonna get, and it's also 11:30 at night, so it is what it is at this point. Okay, whatever. So then, last but not least, I'm just gonna put a few more berries on top, just to make it look bougie. I should have used a smaller bowl, because now I'm going to be inclined to eat this entire bowl. But I know my husband, he'll dig into it, I'm sure. Actually, I use the rest of these berries. Okay, so that is the trifle. Kind of hold up so you can see. A lot of lardness in this bowl. Here's the top. I'll take some pictures as well. Maybe we'll try it with some different fruit next time. I'm going to eat probably for the next 15 minutes some of this. So
let me know what you think. Try it and subscribe and like the video, and thanks for watching.